you've got the best widget in the world, but what problem does it solve for the customer? So we need to think about it from their point of view. What are they looking for? So let's say we're thinking about a dentist. So they offer dentistry services. They might offer braces and orthodontics and fillings and all that sort of stuff, and teeth cleaning and teeth whitening. That's all their services that they provide. But we need to think about, well, actually, what's the customer want? And maybe the customer wants a family-friendly dentist, someone who's going to be gentle and kind for their kids. Maybe they want someone who can, what do you call it?
Teeth
Knock
whitening.
out, no, make it not hurt. They might want a pain-free. So what the customer wants actually might be slightly different to what the business owner thinks they provide. And so we need to get that out of them too about, okay, what is actually your customers looking for